of the top corners.
Okay.
Are you recording?
Yep.
Okay. Welcome everyone to today's video. Today we are doing a review on the GoPro Hero 5 Black, which is a pretty old camera. It came out in 2016. The GoPro Hero 10 actually just launched. So this is a very old camera, but we're going to be doing a review on it. I did a couple other reviews on older cameras as well. If you want to go check those out, they'll be linked in the description. Raymond's with me. He's behind the camera today. So say hi, Raymond.
Hi.
All right, good. So yeah, we're gonna go get some coffee, and then we're gonna go longboard and run some tests with this camera.
We're still deciding on the coffee, okay?
Oh. So we're gonna go get some coffee. What do you want, Raymond?
I don't know. Just get me something I'd like. Give me one of those sweet, lemonade thingies. Dragon something.
Oh, gotcha.
Something.
All right, I will take a pumpkin cream cold brew, a grande, as well as a grande dragon fruit lemonade refresher, please.
Anything else for you guys?
Let's see, anything else?
Nope.
Do you have any just anything free?
Any chicken for priest, you said?
No, just anything free.
Our water?
That would be awesome.
Okay, how many would you guys like?
Just normal amount. Let's do 2.
2 waters?
Yes, please.
Alright, anything else for you guys?
That'll be all. You have a good day.
Thank you, see you at the window.
Thank you. Drive-thrus, I don't know, there's something about them. You can just make them way more fun, you know? So you see that yellow pole right there? Yeah, fun story. With the old van wagon, I was going through a drive-thru, took that turn a little too tight, just big old scrape along the side, bent a hinge. That was soon after I got my permit though. I'm much better at driving now.
2, 1.
Alright, we got some coffee. Now we are headed to... We should probably figure out where we're headed to.
Anywhere's fine with me.
Okay, great. I got the pumpkin cream cold brew. We're headed to go do some longboarding, and we're going to test out the GoPro Hero 5 Black. So here we are. Here is the GoPro Hero 5. If we hold in this button, we can turn it on right here. And we have some settings right here. We have 720p in different frame rates, 1080p as well as 4K. Up here on top we have a red record button. Press that to start it as well as to stop it. And then if we swipe over here, we can see the past videos that we've shot. And then over here, we have the mode button, flip through, time-lapse mode, picture mode, video mode, etc. Then over here, of course, we have our battery. That can slide out, and you can replace that with different batteries if you want. That way you don't have to plug this thing in to charge it every single time. And then right up here, is the SD card. It's a micro SD card. I have a 64 gigabyte in there right now. And then, of course, right over here, we have a USB-C plug-in and the small HDMI. And then right here, we have this casing. This is how you're going to mount the camera. So you just unclip this. The camera will slide right into there, and then you can fold this up, and that just clamps down like that. And there you go. You're ready to go, ready to mount it to whatever you want to. Here we have the GoPro app it is compatible with. In a few simple steps we can pair this up and have a live feed. we can easily start recording from our phone. I just mounted the GoPro onto a little clip mount right here. I found that it works pretty well to attach that to my phone and use my phone as a video monitor for the GoPro. Much bigger screen, much better display, and of course you can start the recording right from your phone, which is super convenient and actually pretty awesome. I love that feature. And I actually found that it works better to attach it to the bottom of the phone, actually, at a little bit of a better angle, and then you can adjust this to wherever you want. If you want to get like some low shots and you would be looking down at it, that works really well, something like that. Yeah, it's just fantastic to use this as a monitor. The GoPro screens are super small, so it's super handy to use your phone as a small monitor. And then we have a full settings and menu bar from our phone to change settings on the GoPro, as well as we can change mode, and we can even go over here and see the pictures and videos that are on the GoPro and put them onto your phone. So that is super convenient. So yeah, there we go, a pretty dope little setup. My thoughts, Raymond, are that he will bounce back, okay? It's called a rough patch, all right? He's not going to be Mr. One-Hit Wonder. Mahomes will be back,
How are you so
okay?
sure? How are you so sure?
Raymond, I have faith
Not
in
all
a jersey, so... What? Let's go do some longboarding, shall we? All right, come now.
Why don't we go like get some quads or something, like go rip
That's
around
kind of
somewhere?
insensitive.
Sorry.
In case you were wondering why that's insensitive, my dirt bike blew up, engine's gone, cylinder, piston, all the things you need for an engine. Mechanic listed all the things that were wrong and then said motor bad. So here's a tribute video to that dirt bike. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed that tribute video. I hope it made you as sad as it made me. Well, no, I don't actually wish that on you. Let's go do some videoing with the GoPro Hero 5 Black. We're going to try a couple different angles here. I'm going to try just clipping it on the front here. Yeah, let us give this a try. And Mom's advice was to be very careful. I don't know why. You just video me, I'll just go for a little spin. Maybe a little. You get that? Delete it. I hope the shot looks dope. Okay. Now I'm gonna pull out the head strap and we're gonna try that version. That didn't go great. Alright, so we got the mic rolling. That's quite the car. Who has a 60-day tag on a car like that? Was that supposed to be impressive?
I don't.
Did he just try to? It was that close to stalling, dude. Let me know what y'all think of the footage. I think it looks pretty good. Okay, so we finished up there doing some videoing. I'm gonna throw on some video from the different settings on this camera, so you'll be able to see what the different settings on the camera look like, including 4K, which is pretty phenomenal for how old this camera is. I think the biggest thing that you have to decide if you want to, like, when you're deciding on whether buying a new GoPro or an old GoPro, it's kind of like, it really is kind of like it is with any other, you know, old versus new situation. You have to weigh the balances, or the pluses and minuses along with the price. You can get this camera for under $200. I'm not sure what used prices look like, but there's definitely a bit of a range, but you can get this camera for pretty cheap. It very well may be worth it to you to drop some of the fancier features that are going to be on the newer GoPros, but aren't going to be on the older ones like the Hero 5. But this is still an incredibly good camera, and especially for the price range. Yeah, it's not the newest, fanciest GoPro, but also it's an action camera, and I don't think action cameras have to necessarily be the highest quality or anything. Often people want action cameras just for personal use, not any kind of like professional thing. Honestly, 4K is more than enough for most people. 1080p is going to get you the distance. A great little action camera for the price. I would 100% recommend it if you are looking for a budget action camera. This thing still has incredible capabilities, including even a time-lapse mode. But I am going to go ahead and sign off the video here. Thank you to Raymond. Thank you, Raymond, for videoing. And thank you all for watching. I hope this was an enjoyable, kind of different sort of review. But it was enjoyable for me, and I hope it was for you too. I will see you all next week. I bought myself a SUV, as you can see here. This SUV, which I own personally, which is mine. It's a good, it's a 26, what year is this thing? 2016, which is what I knew because I own it. It's a 2016. This thing costs about 60 grand, which I have because I'm rich. YouTube's paying the bills. So yeah, this thing does 0 to 60 way faster than your car. So become a YouTuber, kids. It's easy. And scene. Thank you. No, stop. That's dark, Raymond. Okay, shoot from the hip. Welcome, everyone. I don't know. Cut. How's that? You like that? Hey Siri. Hey. Okay.
Hi Tyler. How can I help?
When did the GoPro Hero 5 come out? Let me end scene.